Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this introduction video in CapCut PC. So select your video and freeze frame the part for your intro. I'm just going to select the video and freeze frame this part. So I just basically selected this bit and selected freeze frame. Delete the rest, and on the freeze frame one, go to cutout, go to auto cutout. Then you are going to simply go to basic, add a keyframe here, and then here you're going to make it a little bit bigger, like that, so it kind of moves a little bit like this. Then you're going to want to go to text, text templates, and you're going to find this like comic like text, and I'm just going to type in the word hello. And I'm also going to change the color of it to match, kind of match the background. Right click, create compound clip, and you're going to do the same thing, add a keyframe here, and on the second keyframe you're going to select it and zoom it in. And then on the freeze frame, just go to effects and find like a cartoon effect that suits the video. The effect here. Maybe this. I'm trying to like find one that suits it more. Maybe like the super like one doesn't. Oh, okay, it doesn't really have any effect to it. Oh, maybe this retro cartoon. I did add that before. What about this one? Oh, we can definitely add this in, which is pretty cool. I think I'm just going to select that cartoon one right there. And let's see if there is anything else to do. Nope, I think we're done here, and that's it. Super simple, and it's like a really cute intro for your videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oh, I forgot one thing. We need the flash video transition here. Okay, there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!